If YouTube is not recommending your video, it means that your channel is not going to get the visibility that it needs. That means that you're not going to grow on YouTube and you are going to spend years and years without getting any result or getting to monetization, which is not what we want. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you some few settings you are going to do on your channel before you start uploading your videos. And if you have uploaded your videos, that is fine. You can still go back to this setting and do them. You can still go back to this setting and try to fix them, because YouTube needs to recommend your video to your target audience. Now all you have to do is go to your YouTube studio, the desktop version, then click on upload default. Now I'm here. You are going to see this advanced setting on your upload default. This is the basic setting and this is the advanced setting. So you are going to set your category. It's very important that YouTube know the category of niche that you are into. Either is the auto and vehicles, comedy, education. You can see different category here. You don't have to mix it up. You have to choose one category so that it will be a default setting on your channel, that your channel is how to and style. Then you can now set your description language to English, also your caption language to English. Make sure that all these things are in English. Your video language should be in English. Then you click on the comments, whether you need to regulate your comments or you need to be strict on your comments. You just have to select one. Then you highlight how many people, how many viewers like your video. Then you click on save. Now, there are several reasons why YouTube might not be recommending your video, apart from you turning on these settings. One is that YouTube might not have enough data to be able to recommend your video to your target audience, in the sense that you might have few subscribers and few videos. YouTube does not have enough data to be able to say these are your target audience, or so that they can recommend this video to your target audience. They have not gathered enough data for that. So you need to start making more videos for YouTube to be able to recommend your channel to your target audience. Now, the second thing there is why YouTube is not recommending your channel might be because you are diving into different niches. You need to niche down to one thing. You are trying, if you are diving into different types of niche on YouTube, you are confusing the algorithm, and YouTube will not be able to determine the type of audience that your video needs. You cannot be uploading a vlog or a lifestyle video on an educational channel where you've already uploaded how to, and then you're uploading a vlog. YouTube is going to get confused and your subscribers are going to come from two different things. So for them to be able to push your videos to your subscriber might not be interested in that video, and once they click out of your video will die down and it will not get enough views. So you need to niche down. You need to concentrate on one niche so that YouTube can be able to target your audience and push your video to only them. Then they can subscribe to your channel and be able to engage in your videos, and your videos will see the drastic views and the engagement and the views that you need. You'll be able to see it in your video. The third thing is the poor optimization. That is where we are going to go to our setting now. Now let's go to our setting. Now you can see here that you need to put in your tag. You need to, in this section, you need to put in a relevant tag, the tag that correlates with your niche, the tag that resonates with your niche. You have to put it in this tag here. Yes, you have to put that tag. And if you cannot find that tag, you can go to vidiq.com and get the kind of tag that you need for your videos. Now, your description needs to follow your niche. Your description needs to follow what you do on YouTube. You need to put in what you do on YouTube in your description. Let the keywords that you have already put in your tag, put it in your description so that YouTube can optimize your video. YouTube can know what your video is all about. When YouTube knows what your video is all about, they will be able to push your video to your targeted audience and you will get the growth that you need. It will help you get views a lot of views on your content. Now lastly, you need to focus on producing high quality content for your YouTube. Focus on producing high quality content. When you produce high quality content, YouTube is going to push your video more to your targeted audience. Now, engage with your audience. When you engage with your audience, you are going to see a drastic change in your views. When somebody posts a comment or asks a question, you need to reply to their comments, reply to their question. Then the more engagement you have on your video, the more like you have on your video, the more comment you have on your video, the more YouTube is going to start pushing that video to your audience, because YouTube is going to see that, oh, this video is being engaged, people are commenting on this video, that means people like this video, people want to watch this video, let's push it more to other people that will love this video. So you see that YouTube is going to start pushing your video to more people that are interested in your niche, and you will see the change in your views. So with that being said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, go to the comment section and engage with other small YouTubers that are in your niche. Write down what your niche is all about. Write down what your YouTube is all about in the comment section, and others are going to go to your YouTube, go to your channel and see if it's what they resonate with, and they will be able to subscribe to your channel and follow you. Please, if you know that you're going to follow somebody you are going to follow a particular channel, make sure that it's a channel that you are interested in, because if you are not interested in that channel and YouTube pushes that person's video to you and you swipe off, you've already killed that person's engagement and views. So please don't don't subscribe to a channel you know that you are not going to watch their videos. You have to make sure that you are interested in their video and you always watch their video and you are gaining value from their video. That is the channel that you need to subscribe to, so that whenever they upload a new video, YouTube can push their videos to you. When you watch it, even if you watch it 70% of the time, that person is very, very sure to get a lot of engagement on that video, and you are going to be helping each other by doing that. That is the help you are going to be giving. So go to the comment section and put in what your channel is all about, and I will be seeing you in my next video.